LG Smart TV with WebOS lets you navigate to your favorite shows and movies, as well as apps, internet browsing, and beyond. So what's the ideal way to control it all? With the LG Magic Remote, of course. Load those batteries, and then the first time you use it, the Magic Remote and the TV should pair automatically after just a few seconds. Just point it at the TV, then press on the click wheel. If you ever need to reset it, press and hold the back and home buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see the red power icon blink 3 times. Then just point the remote at the TV and click the wheel to re-register. The Magic Remote offers 3 different control options: point and click, wheel, and voice. Point and click moves the cursor around the screen with a wave of your hand, a lot like a computer mouse. This is useful for just about everything, including games. The wheel control allows you to scroll through long lists or zoom in and out of web pages. And voice control lets you talk to your LG Smart TV, speaking commands right into the Magic Remote. To activate this feature, simply press and hold the search button until you hear this tone and see the microphone icon on the screen. Then speak directly into the Magic Remote.
Marvel.
To learn more about this feature, watch our speech recognition video. The button-pushing crowd shouldn't feel left out, though. We've refined and expanded the controls to create our most intuitive and comprehensive Magic Remote to date. A quick tap of the home button takes you to the Smart TV launcher and all of its offerings. And if you press and hold it, it pulls up your most recently used apps. More on this in our launcher video. On 3D model TVs, the 3D button takes you immediately into or out of 3D mode. There's also the settings button to make fast adjustments to audio, video, and more. Press the back button to return to the previous screen or step, and press and hold it to exit your current activity. If you're watching live TV content without a set-top box, this caption button switches closed captioning on and off. Set-top box users need to turn on closed captioning via the set-top box. Newly added are dedicated buttons for a linked set-top box's power, and another to quickly call up the set-top box menu once you've configured your set-top box. We show you how in another video. Of course, there are channel, volume, and mute buttons too, along with convenient 0 through 9 number keys and multifunction red, green, yellow, and blue buttons. We've added dedicated play and pause buttons for simpler control of connected devices, as well as within video and music apps. Next to those is a shared button for 2 of our newest features: Focus, and then press and hold the Focus button to access live zoom. Together, these offer what we call Magic Zoom, which we cover in detail in another video. With universal control, the LG Magic Remote can control your connected cable or satellite set-top box, as well as compatible Blu-ray disc players, sound bars, and home theater systems. So you won't need to keep multiple remote controls on your coffee table. You can learn more about universal control in several of our device connector videos. And this direct input key lets you switch between your different connected devices more quickly than ever. The versatile, stylish LG Magic Remote gives you a better way to control all of your home entertainment. And it even stands up, so it's easy to find.